Hello and welcome to Christ-like Media once again. Today is another day, and as you know, Christ-like Media, we are always at your service. Today, we want to take you through a very simple thing. It's very, very simple. And please take note, the codes will be pinned in our bio, or in other words, it will be in the description. If it's YouTube and TikTok, it will be in the bio. So take note and you can just copy the codes from there directly without necessarily typing them. But if you want to type them too, you can also do that. Okay, so we are going to learn basically how to do what? How to use code blocks, or in other words, how to find the sum of prime ranging between 1 and I think 200. Yes. So that's what basically we are going to do. Finding all prime numbers that ranges from 1 to 200. So meaning this code is actually talking about basically finding the prime numbers from 1 to 200 and no other numbers again. Okay, so as you know, you have to import the files. So using this thing, then you now come to the namespace. So you first start by saying what? Who. And the reason why we are using who is what? You use who or boolean when you want certainty. And when we say certainty, when the thing is either true or false. So bool is the data type. There we learned about float and double and int and the rest. But today we are introduced to what? Bool. Okay, so we say that the comment is what? Function to check if a number is what? Prime. So meaning there is a function to check if the number is prime. So we say that what? It should bool is prime. Then int the number. Then the curly bracket, we said that we are using the conditional statement if. So if number is less than or equal to 1, you should what? Return it as what? False. And we say for int I is equal to 2 and I times I is less than or equal to the number plus I, meaning plus I means what? If you increase it by 1. And we say that if the number, then the percentage I is equal to 0, you should return it as what? False, and return it as what? Then we close the curly bracket and return true. So meaning this code, any number that is less or equal to 1, it will return it as false. That if it's this, it will return what? True. We come to the main function, we say int main. Then we will say that the sum should be equal to what? 0. So there is a code for us to loop through the numbers from 1 to 200. So you are writing that the I equals 2 and I should be less than or equal to 200. Then it should increase by 1 plus 1. So if is prime into brackets I, sum plus should be equal to I. So meaning when you sum, you say that sum should be equal to 0. So then now we are saying that sum should be equal to what? Should be equal to 1. I. Then we now output the sum of the prime numbers and say that C out the sum of prime numbers between 1 and 20 is sum. Then you end your line. Then you return the 0. Then you close your curly bracket. Please take note of all these punctuations, the semicolon, the less than, the colons, the open bracket and the closed bracket. Without one of them, it would throw an error. And without the indentation, without the imported files, it would throw an error. So as I said, the code will be pinned to the description. So you can copy if you want and run it yourself. When I click on run, look at the result. The sum of prime numbers between 1 and 200 is 4227. Process return 0. Then can press any. So you see that it's very simple. Very simple. And it will run successfully and you get everything successful. Thank you for your time.